Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. Today we are going to discuss how to install data visualization in already installed ILM instance. So this is my ILM instance. Here we can see that there is no data visualization option because if you go to the installation step, this is my installation step. So here we can see that after giving the license and the directory location, it shows two options, whether we want to install Informatica Data Archive or Informatica Data Visualization, or the both the options. So if you want to install both the options, means Data Archive and Data Visualization, then in that case give 1,2, but I have given only one, that's why it installed ILM but not Data Visualization. So let me show you how to install data visualization in already installed ILM instance. So first let me stop the services. Okay, so I stopped the server. Let me check if any process is running. Okay, good. So now we'll go ahead to install data visualization. Check the installation directory. Run the installer. Continue. Go for the install data archive. Accept the agreement. Yes. Provide the license key. Provide the path. This is my ILM directory, ILM home directory location. So here it's showing whether we want to install Informatica Data Archive or Informatica Data Visualization only. Since I already installed Informatica Data Archive, so this time I will go for Data Visualization. Okay. So our installation is completed successfully. Now if you'll start the services, it will show the data visualization option on ILM Web UI. So let me start the services. So now our server is up and running. So let's go to the web UI. So now we can see that it's showing the data visualization option here. So this is it, guys. You can share your feedback on the below links.